Going. Okay, ready?
Hold that.
I'm supposed to.
Let's go.
Hold it. Am I going?
Yeah, you're going if you want.
Okay. There's the puddle.
I'm going back upstairs to change.
What, already? Oh, no way. You're not that wet.
Oh, God. Landon, don't sit in it.
Jump!
Oh my God. I think he knew way over. Get shy.
Ready? I always wanted to do this. Tell her to sit in the puddle. Sit in the puddle with your brother. Atta boy. Oh, she's gonna do it.
What am I gonna do?
The deep part. Sit in the deep part. Right there. Sit there with your brother. Oh, there you go, Mud. Oh, there you go. Throw it at him. Get him.
Will you give him a bath?
I'm not.
I will, I guess.
All right, get him.
Oh, God.
Oh.
In the eye on him. In the eye.
Get him.
Ready?
I'm just out here to watch.
Okay.
I don't want to slip and fall again.
What? I wanna ride.
Okay.
Go.
I have to put on a coat, wouldn't I? Danny, don't throw clouds. Danny, don't throw funnel clouds. Don't the clouds kind of look. What did Danny do? And what did Adam do?
Dude, look at this puddle.
Oh.
Guys,
Landon, come here. Landon, come here. Let me see your face.
Are you still
Come here. Come up here on the stairs. Come here. Come here.
Are you still videotaping?
I want to show you something. Come on.
What?
Come on, Danny, go.
I'm not.